Welcome back to segment 3. In this segment of drawing scale and drawing view scale, we focus on another important concept. Printed on most drawings is the note not to scale or do not scale drawing. In English, this note means do not take out an engineering ruler or scale and try to measure the size or locations of features on the drawing. This should make total sense. The printed scale in any title block or under any enlarged view or reduced scaled view is only accurate when the drawing is printed to the paper's actual size. For example, putting a 1:1 scaled view on a of our truncated cone model on an A-size sheet of paper, as we have done here, then shrinking the drawing image to fit on slide 17 makes every dimension not to scale. The same thing happens when B or C size drawings are printed on an A size sheet of paper. Never knowing how or when an engineering drawing will be enlarged or reduced digitally or physically necessitates all drawing sheets to have a note something to the effect of do not scale the drawing. Even in the case where the note is missing from the drawing, one should not take a ruler or a scale and try and pull dimensions of size and location from the drawing. So in review, choosing a drawing sheet size affects the overall drawing sheet scale, and the drawing view scales applied to detailed section or auxiliary views. Simple designs with few and or large features typically have their views drawn to a reduced scale. 2. Complex designs with many and or small features generally require their views drawn to an enlarged scale. 3. Enlarged or reduced view scales are used on detailed section and auxiliary views as needed. When a view scale does not match the drawing sheet scale, make sure its scale is annotated below the view's name. 5. Use preferred inch or metric scales even though the CAD system can produce views of any arbitrary scale. Here are a few questions you should be able to answer and discuss. 1. What is meant by the drawing sheet scale? 2. How does one choose an appropriate drawing sheet scale? 3. When are enlarged or reduced scale views appropriate? 4. What views are accompanied by a scale annotation? 5. What does the note "do not scale drawing" mean?